And we're back.
Unpause.
So, now that I've paused myself still, we're going to take that out.
You pulled out.
I pulled out. Go figure. So, I'm wondering...
They were jamming each other, I bet.
If there wasn't enough room to suck anything through for air.
Yeah.
So that it could pull it through.
Because it was barely dribbling. It's just a dribble.
And that fits perfectly as it's supposed to.
Take your O-ring.
Put my O-ring in my hole. Oh yeah, put it in my hole.
Cock ring.
Now
let's put that back. And watch this thing magically prime itself.
And I'll show you the old one in a minute, which actually would on previous video. But I'll show you referencing the previous video. But we'll do that in a minute. Let me get this on.
Sound like going back to a...
Yep. And again, ladies and gentlemen, remember, whenever you're doing this, you don't need to wrench it. Granted, this is pretty sturdy glass, but you break that, find one.
Well, you can. They make them now. But I digress. You don't want to break one, because breaking one...
You eat grass, what?
You mispronounced ass.
Well, you know, hey, whatever. Yeah. I didn't realize ass was spelled for JJ.
Well, you know. Sometimes you got to take care of both at the same time.
No, that's when you're two in the pink and one in the stink.
That's called the Shaka! Steel Panther reference, dude. Greatest band of all time.
You got to lick it.
Before you stick it.
You got to get it soft and wet before you stick it.
Look at that. Scotty's good at playing with bolts.
Go figure.
You're good at screwing.
I am. I got 5 kids. Apparently, I'm pretty damn good at it.
Yeah.
Well, no, you can't. You can get kids and not be good at screwing, but...
Well, yeah, I mean...
Let's do this first.
Ooh, go, Scotty. It's not your birthday.
Yeah, my birthday passed.
I know, we didn't do anything either. That's okay.
Well, I look at it this way. I'm here in the lovely state of wherever I am.
Confusion?
Yep. Oh, shit. I've been there for 40 years.
That. Put this little bugger back. It's not easy to do one-handed, but... Here, squeeze the thing. I'm trying to do it one-handed. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to prime the carb one more time. And we'll see if this behaves or not. If it doesn't, then we get more research and development. So everybody, please hold. Oh, look at that. Scotty's doing some magic. Hose clamp magic. By hoe bag magic. I mean, wait a minute.
Because I'm too lazy to go get a...
Pair of pliers?
Yeah.
That's okay. You're good. It's on there. It's fine. All right. Let's prime the old carburetor. You get in the old car.